Okay, so if you guys are getting this sort of error on your Macintosh machine while you're running your program, your Flutter program on your Android or iPhone physical device, so what you need to do is go to settings, then go to general, then go to device management, click on the certificate, click on trust, and then you click on OK and try to run it again. As you can see, it says build is being successful. Okay, so as you can see, we've got a white screen on here, and there you go, it successfully runs my app. I can press on this button. There you go, my friends, you've conquered this error. Now do hit the like button if you like the video, and subscribe to the channel for more such awesome Flutter videos. See you in the next video.